Got this Coach bag from Goodwill, and it's very, very dirty. But wait till you see how easy it is to get it really, really clean. This is after only about an hour of cleaning. Very easy to do. Look how perfectly clean this thing came. All looks brand new. This is what the bag looked like before we started cleaning it. It was pretty gross, but it looks brand new now. You can tell there's a number of pretty bad stains. This bag came from Goodwill, and it was only $5, so we decided to give it a good cleaning. You'll notice there's a lot of staining on the bottom and also a whole lot across the top too, but that's normal. So if your bag looks like this, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you how you can clean yours to make it look brand new, just like this one does. All you need is a can of the blue coral upholstery cleaner. I ordered this one on Amazon for less than $7. I always recommend wearing gloves so that the cleaning product doesn't irritate your skin. This can is cool because the cap actually functions also as a scrub brush. If those little tiny, kind of soft bristles, but boy, they sure do work great on this fabric. You want to hold the can about 10 inches or the length of the can away from the bag when you spray. And just spray the fabric, let it foam up a little bit like that, and just let it get nice and moist. But you don't have to do it too heavy, and just wipe away any that gets on the leather. They sure did a great job designing this cap to serve as a brush. You can also use a toothbrush if you want. I kind of used both on this one, but after the bubbles have kind of just sat in there, foamed up for a while, feel free to just gently scrub them in, wash away all those stains. I did the spraying and the scrubbing process just a couple times, and at the end of each time, just took a nice clean cloth and wiped away all of the cleaning product and just did it again. So honestly, I think I only did 2 or 3 times, and I just did the same process on each side of the bag. You hear I'm doing the top, do the sides, you can even do the inside. And as you saw before, boy, does it come clean. So I sprayed the outside, scrubbed it, and when I was done, just gently wiped away with a clean cloth. And you're pulling out all the cleaning product, but you're also removing all that dirt that you've scrubbed free. And boy, does it work well. So just do that a few times, and when you're done, your bag might look this clean, inside and out. So you'll notice the fabric on the inside came really, really clean too, and it had some heavy stains from ink pens and other grease and lipstick and other things. Boy, clean as a whistle now.